everyone, welcome back to Kawaii and Travel. Today I will show you how to make Đồng Nai Chicken from Vietnam. You will need lemongrass, kaffir, lime leaves, ginger, green onion, regular onion, pink sauce, seasoning powder, pepper, and onion oil. Now you stir the seasoning powder and pepper together and play with it. So now you take the seasoning powder and you put it or sprinkle it over the chicken. It should look yellowish, and once you're out of the powder, you can just massage the chicken and marinate it. Put lemongrass, ginger, and half of the green onion into the chicken through the bottom. Put a small spoon of onion oil onto the chicken and you spread it around a little bit. Now you put it in an instant pot and you turn it on steam mode. Your chicken should look yellow and delicious and glossy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.